back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know non-phone and data entry is what most people are after. I do try to mix it up on this channel and share a little bit of something from everyone, everything from customer service to healthcare to all kinds of jobs. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that you do that so you never miss out. But today I have a non-phone data entry work from home job for you. Now, the links to all the pages I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this a thumbs up like button. Today's job is from ABS Kids. They have a 417 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote work from home data entry clerk. They say this is going to be general data entry and maintenance of process support for their people operations or HR team. So they're looking for somebody to basically do general data entry within the departmental platforms such as ATS and their payroll systems. You'll be creating new employee profiles within the payroll system. So like creating a new account, entering their name, their hire date, all of that stuff, just that general data entry into the computer system and payroll systems. You'll transfer files into their main document management system, supporting, reporting, and auditing, and documenting and escalating any high priority or sensitive matters to the shared representative team. So straight general data entry. They are paying $18 an hour with a full complete benefit package, probably includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. As far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, and only 1 year experience in either customer service or data entry. They do want somebody who can have that great attention to detail, someone who's proficient in those Microsoft Office systems like Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, and someone who can take sensitive information and handle it with care. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.